this is amazing. This has never happened before with highways, to have this much equipment for our guys to get out there and get these roads fixed with. It's never happened before.
I have never seen a place that had this much brand new equipment, and this is only a fraction of it. There's all kinds more coming, and more coming, and more coming. You do great work. I challenge all the people of West Virginia, and I'll do it again today, I'll do it right now, that when you see these great people, men and women, doing this kind of work every day within the state, and you happen to be stopped, tell them you thank them, and tell them you appreciate them.
I mean, I see tandems, I see single axles, I see 1-tons, I see Gradalls. Look at those new mowers. This is amazing. I honestly just don't know what to say. For the first time in my life, I'm a little bit tongue-tied.